रोलिंग है। नमस्कार। डे एट डे एट डे एट ऑफ रेगुलरली पोस्टिंग 10 मिनट 12 मिनट वीडियोस। ज्ञान चोदने आया हूँ बेसिकली। सो बात करेंगे आज के बारे में। कल यहाँ से गए, बहुत अच्छा रहा कल का शूट। वी टॉक्ड अबाउट फादर्स। सो बड़ा मज़ा आया, बड़ा अच्छा लगा। और उसके बाद आई वेंट बैक टू होम। यहाँ एडिट वेडिट निपटा के सब वहाँ घर चले गए थे। द एडिट यूजुअली डोंट टेक मच टाइम बट इट इज़ व्हाट इट इज़। अब कल गए। कल आई वॉच्ड अ वेरी गुड मूवी अगेन। 96 आई वॉच the South Indian movie named as 96, and I found some things in it. I was pretty happy. I was pretty romantic yesterday, and the simplicity it holds, the acting, like everything was so good about that film that I cannot मैं भुला ही नहीं सकता उस मूवी को। इट इज़ सो गुड। उसके बाद आई थॉट अबाउट सम पर्सनल थिंग्स लाइक महिला मित्र। सो वट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू थिंक यू कैन थिंक अबाउट दैट। सो आज सुबह फिर वापस वही रनिंग वर्कआउट फलाना 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 चलता ही रहता। लेट्स जस्ट जम्प टू द टॉपिक. Today's topic is how we think about women. I'm not a pookie, I'm just a regular man. So, I will be sharing my perspective on women, or how do men like us behave around them. How do, where I was wrong about women, where I was not correct, and more things which come along the way. जो भी आएगा रास्ते में we'll all address it. So women बहुत ही बहुत complex topic है. You just can't understand them. I wouldn't been able to understand them right now, और शायद हो सकता है in future I will be able to, or maybe not, because they are very complicated creatures. But just think about this. Whenever you see a woman, whenever you see a female, a mother, a sister, a girlfriend, wife, just try not to think about them with your biology. Think about them spiritually. Think about them as persons. What do you think? Think about them as living creatures just like you. Nothing else, just like you. Ki just remove everything which is making you horny when you are talking to women, especially your girlfriend, your friends, because I know how मेल साइकोलॉजी वर्क्स, क्यों होता है, कैसे होता है। हज़ारों वीडियोस यूट्यूब पे मिल जाएगी, बट ये कोई नहीं बताएगा कि कैसे करना है और क्यों ज़रूरी है उनको उस एक फ्रेम से बाहर निकाल के देखना, आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स. डोंट ट्राई टू पुट देम इनटू अ फ्रेम which says कि women are this or women are that, women. Don't try to put them into a shelf. Just think like they are also independent creatures just like us. It's not a big deal. You might be thinking मेरे साथ होता था ये. Whenever I see a female, whether I know her or not, whether she's really a stranger to me, I used to think about them as sexually, and शायद ये बात करते हुए मैं पॉलिटिकली करेक्ट नहीं लगूंगा, बट आई डोंट नीड टू बी पॉलिटिकली करेक्ट एनी मोर. आई एम जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट माई सेल्फ एंड अदर मेल्स who think just like me. And I know from the core that every man thinks like this. Every man has a phase when they just only think about sex. Every man has that. And I don't feel ashamed while addressing it. I am not. I don't feel ashamed by addressing it. I'm just saying कि it is very normal to have sexual thoughts about women. When you address that, you will be more comfortable with yourself as well as the female partner. Don't judge yourself about having those feelings towards her, and she will not judge you about having those feelings, those sexual thoughts about her. Just don't judge. Try to be very very normal, try to be very very authentic around females, and just let them be. Just let them be in the society as they are. There is no, she is not a goddess, she is just a female. She also has problems, she also has maybe 10,000 things, 10,000, 12,000 thoughts about her, but that doesn't mean that you will only put her into a sexual category, that this is who she is, and you will just be thinking about her all the time. Don't think about her all the time. That's not really fair, to be honest. Don't think about her as a sexual doll. I might be wrong politically, but I am literally right. I might be wrong about, मतलब मैं कह सकता हूँ कि ये एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया जाए. I might be cancelled after this. I might be cancelled after this, but I am really really confident कि ये हर एक इंसान के साथ होता है, especially when they are above 18 and below 25. It comes straight like that. It is very normal to have sexual thoughts about her, and ask them questions like human beings. Ask them questions which you ask your brother, your father. It's not a big deal anymore. आप क्या चाहते हो कि लड़की बस एक सेक्सुअल बीइंग के जैसे ही रहे क्या? Women are really special, and whenever you think sexually and you look into her eyes, she will notice it. She is biologically trained to communicate to a blob of mass which is 2-3 years old. She can understand all the signs. Don't you think? She will understand every sign, every मिनिमम जो लेस से लेस, कम से कम छोटे से छोटा साइन वो कर लेगी एड्रेस. वो आपकी शक्ल से बता देगी कि आप क्या सोच रहे हो. बिकॉज शी इज़ बायोलॉजिकली, शी इज़ एवोल्यूशनरीली डिज़ाइंड लाइक दैट. शी कैन नो. मैं कह रहा हूँ ना, मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किया है ये. जस्ट आई वॉज सिटिंग इन अ कैफे, आई वॉज जस्ट लुकिंग एट समवन. And back that time I didn't understand all these things. I was looking at someone and the other person was looking opposite way. She was not looking at me. I just looked at her, and I just constantly looked at her for around 30 seconds, 40 seconds. And without even saying anything, उसने अपना गर्दन घुमा ली. As if she knows who's looking at her. सो थिंक दैट वे कि वो क्या सोच रही होगी उसके दिमाग में कि जब वो किसी की तरफ देख भी नहीं रही तब भी उसकी तरफ आई बॉल्स है. just think that how embarrassed she will be when she thinks कि यार कोई बंदा मेरे बारे में sexually सोच रहा है. How big of a threat it is to her. So please be a very gentle person, be a gentleman. Be a gentleman. Don't think too much when you are talking to some female friend. Don't think too much. Just think about the conversations. Think about what she's saying. Think about how she's feeling. Just don't stare into her boobs. Please. It's not a matter of fact that she knows. She knows why you are there. So just अपनी डिग्निटी मेंटेन करो यार. किसी भी लड़की के कमेंट सेक्शन में जाके पढ़े हो, किसी भी लड़की से बात करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो. मैंने करी है गलतियाँ. आई एम नॉट अ सेंट. मैं कोई संत महात्मा नहीं हूँ. मैंने ये सारी गलतियाँ कर रखी, ठीक है. मैंने वो सब कुछ किया है जो तुम कर सकते हो. यू माइट बी डूइंग ऑल दिस. थिंक अबाउट इट. जस्ट हाउ दिस विल लुक इन अ मेटा वे. Think about whatever you are doing and then try to think into a third person's perspective. कि दो जने बात कर रहे हैं और एक जना सुन रहा है पीछे से. तो जब you are talking, think about yourself as the third person. कि मैं इस सिचुएशन में कैसा लग रहा हूँगा. Just like, और मतलब when I used to masturbate, I was a hack that came into my mind that helped me very well. कि हमेशा ये सोचो कि somebody is recording you. There is a team behind you. Every time when you are masturbating or doing anything your day will require you to do, just think that way कि someone is recording you and every step I take that has been recording somewhere और वो कहीं ना कहीं सेव हो रहा है. यू विल गेट रियली गुड हेल्प. आपको बहुत अच्छी हेल्प मिलेगी इस थॉट से, क्योंकि आप वो सारी गलत चीज़ें नहीं करोगे जो आप कर रहे हो. जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट दैट वे. लेट्स जस्ट एंड द टॉपिक. जस्ट बिकॉज मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बोलूँगा इसके ऊपर, तो there will be a lots and lots of thought I will be having about it after this video, and I don't want to think too much. As I say, okay, don't think too much. Just think of them as human beings. Just don't think of them as some aliens which have came up from another planet. That's it. Signing off, Gaurav.